Dear customer, good evening. I take privilege introducing myself, the CEO of the company for Easeprint estimation software. By name, it is known as estimation software, but this is a complete ERP solution for printing and packaging industry. Other than print this industry, we have tried to capture the most important informations for large format printing, continuous stationery printing, label industry, and point of sale. This is a total workflow process which a common printing press people they do day-to-day activities. In this session, we will show you the estimation for paperback. Paperback can be categorized into two parts. One is shopping bag and another is the carry bags, craft carry bags. The my whole life knowledge of 35 plus years has been put here to develop and give you a very user friendly interface which can be used and benefits can be taken from the software by a common layman simply using the mouse. I'm going to show you the presentation and hope your feedback will be very positive and you shall ask the questions at the end of the video. Thank you very much. Once we start the interface, this you have to select your customer and the product. Our products are categorized into three parts: shopping bag, shopping bag with craft shopping bag with handle, and brown craft bags without handle. You would just define the title. Five different quantities estimation can be calculated in one stretch where you can enter the different quantities. I am entering three quantities, different sizes, predefined or custom made can be entered as the size of the paper bag, whereas length, weight, and the gusset. The system will automatically calculate the open sheet size required. Complete knowledge has been put in this system with in-depth knowledge of technical requirement, size requirements re- at the time of estimation. In this, we will calculate the top inside fold for carry bags, bottom pasting, and the glue flap spacings, which can be altered by job to job as per customer's requirement. Once you move to the next page, you have to define the colors to be printed. I select four color. I select CTP plate and automatically my paper from the stock will be shown here. I pick 300 GSM of my art glossy white paper. If you have to attach a baseboard, you can select the different grammages of baseboard from your stock and simply select it. The system will select automatically the best imposition in the next process. In post-press feature, you can define your lamination, UV, varnish, or other activities. In this demonstration, I select matte lamination, thermal, quality, glossy. In post-press section, you select the different type of finishing process as lamination, UV, or varnish. In this section, I select thermal lamination. In the section, I select the lamination gold with glossy quality and single side lamination. Extra work means the post finishing process required in the fabrication of the bag. Automatically, the system will pick the bag pasting and die cutting required, which is mandatory. So, even if you forget to select it, the system will calculate the cost automatically. The third part is bag handle. When we are making the bag handle, different bag handles can be made and can be select. In this demonstration, we have selected the plastic handle, die handle, D handle, nylon rope, flat handle, and the cotton twisted handles. Customer can make any number of handles with their quality, and there is no reservation for data entry. In this selection, I select the handle as nylon rope. I proceed for packing, where I have to make the bundling of 100 boxes. I select by number. I select packing type. I select packing type bundle packet of 100 each. I can select my transport feature, which can be calculated by numbers or by weight. I select flat cost as 1,000 units rupees or your currency. You can enter it. Once you enter the data information, select the machine you want to use to print the paper bag. Different machines will be recorded in your database masters and it will show you your machines here. Select your machine and continue. On one click, the system will calculate the best imposition, paper size, layout, and the wastage of the paper will be calculated. And in just fraction of seconds, wow, in fractions of seconds, the three costing is in front of you with currency. It is a multi-currency software where you can change your currency to parent currency to other currencies. You can offer discounts, you can offer commissions, you can offer the different production markups and the profit markups as flat or different on production, post press, and paper. We have specifically given the different profit markups in order to make a very competitive price. Other than that, this is the complete brain of the software which calculated based on total stock available in your store with the different cutting options, your feeding size, cut size, and the layouts. If you want to see the layout and it will suggest you the best, wow. If you want to see the layout, see our most talented staff with experience in printing industry. They have developed it and tried to give you the pictorial demonstration how it will look like, what is the size, what is the paper, how the paper has to be cut with complete technical details. Costing of each unit of the paper box can be seen down. Here in the screen, you can see the costing of 5,000, 10,000, and 15,000, excluding and including profit is shown. Your unit price is shown. Per unit box is shown. In costing section, I will show you the different costing breakup in detail, which is beyond the capabilities of a one person who is doing so many estimates in a day and make chance of making the errors. The system will automatically calculate the different quantities, film cost, plate cost, printing cost, paper cost, extra work cost, and post press cost. Here we have defined the total production cost in one unit, and we have the material cost is separate, which has been defined as material costs separate in the costs column. Labor costs and material costs for different quantities are defined in front of you, and the fixed cost for cost, designing cost, die cost, embossing block cost, hot stamping block cost, and transport cost is defined in another category. Dear sir, let me tell you that all the measures has been taken care while developing this software, and Easeprint welcomes the suggestions of each customer to make it customizable as per their requirements if they don't find anything suitable in this software. We have taken care that most of the features are being put in order so that the customer can use and make the best benefit of Easeprint. Now I will show you in detail knowledge, technical information, calculation for each category. Once I click on the quantity, the system will open automatically, and each different costing can be seen here down for plate, what type of plate, which plate, for which machine, what size, what quantity, what is the rate, how many extra plates are being used. Is it really useful information? Printing. When we talk about printing, the system will tell you the colors being used on which machine, how much time is required, what is my printing rate, what is my per hour cost, what is my actual impressions to be costing is required, what is my imposition, and what is my ink cost. The system will calculate the quantity. The system will calculate the quantity of ink. The system will calculate the cost of ink, and the cost will be shown here. In this demonstration, if the price of the ink is not being fed, so the cost will appear as zero. Once we move to the paper, it will show you the total number of sheets required, what is the actual quantity required, how much is the make ready wastage, how much is the running wastage, what is the total number of paper is required, and what is the weight of the per sheet cost in ton or kg or sheet. The same way, the lamination cost, lamination size, lamination in kg, lamination in meter, the material cost is being calculated. Every process has been taken care of with its production time, and a special intelligence has been provided to the system, which is very rarely available in competitive softwares, where you can get both the informations together. Now we move to the second segment of extra work, packing, die cutting, and a technical informations provided is very much required in estimation, where every penny record is being considered. Once we click it, save it, upon click of save, you can generate predefined quotation for the customer, which can be sent by mail, SMS, and the new feature has been introduced of sending the mail by WhatsApp, the most useful social media nowadays to send the mails. Wow, this is the new edition in 2021, which uh, Easeprint is always committed to offer the new and exclusive features years by years. This is the format of quotation. You can make it any language for the people, my friends, and my respected clients in Gulf countries. We are privileged, we are happy to announce that the software is available in Arabic language for their requirements. Any specific requirement for Arabic language can be contacted by them. Thank you very much. Dear customer, in continuation to our estimation presentation for shopping bag, in this section I will show you the estimation of brown craft bags without handle. This is the same process you have to follow and entering the data information you are seeing on a screen with different jobs with job title, different quantities, calculate in one stretch, finish size of the bag, and the system will calculate the open size for the bag. In the next section, you enter the color, one color process, plate, nylon plate. The paper will be shown in the real format for any paper from your stock. Select the GSM, enter the print area 10 by 15 centimeter, and let's take example as two numbers. Nylon plates are required for front and back. No post press activity is required. Packing, I need to pack 100 pieces in one bundling. Transport cost can be calculated by weight or by flat cost. I take an example of a flat cost. Once you select the machine, this is a total online process from reel to fabrication. The system will give you the costing of all the mandatory fields being taken care of while making in estimation with optimization costing, which will show you the reel size, the cut size, and the total print area, wastage, and it will generate the layout, what type of a layout is required to print on certain size of paper. We have taken care of the process being used online will not have its cost. For example, if you are making the paper bag, the shopping bag, offline shopping bag fabrication will attract the pasting, but online shopping bag will not attract the costing of pasting, but it is totally customizable for customer to customer as per their requirements. I am really thankful for giving time and viewing my video. I request you to share it in large number for better of print community. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.